Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube even faster using the 4x4 half centers method. So let's get right into the video. So the 4x4 half centers method only works on Yao, so you need to be solving using the Yao method for 4x4. So first what you need to do is you need to solve the white and yellow center like you normally would. Now that I have the yellow and the white center done, then you solve the 3 white cross edges. So this is what it's supposed to look like when you have your 3 edges. So I have my 3 edges in, and now the next step is to solve all the centers. So here is where the half centers method comes in. As you can see, I have to solve all my centers, but with this video you can solve your centers even faster using the half centers method. So you need to know the orientation. It goes blue, red, green, orange, and that's the way it just goes. And you also can do, for example, orange, blue, or whichever way you want to do it. But first what you need to do is you need to look for a bar. And I already have this green bar. If there isn't already a bar made, you use your slice moves to make a bar. So I have this green bar. Then once you have your bar pre-made, then you want to have it on the left side. So you want to make sure using the U-face that you put it on the left side. Then I already have another orange bar made. So instead of putting this on the left side, I want to put it on the right side so I can move it down, since orange goes on the side below green. So I put it down like that. Then I put it on the side under there. Then I put it also on the left side. So then I have these 2 bars made. Next, I can either make the blue or the red, and I'm going to go with the red because I have a pretty easy red bar here. And then you want to make your 3rd bar. So once you have all 3 of your bars made, as you can see I have 1, 2, 3, and they're all on the left side, you want to put them in the front, bottom, and back. So you want to keep the 3 bars on the front, bottom, and back. And the way this works is you're going to use the U-face and the wide arm moves to solve the rest of the centers. So you're going to use the wide arm moves to help you, and that's why you have them on the left side, because if you use wide arm moves, then it won't hurt the right side. So you want to use the wide arm moves, and that's what you can see in fast 4x4 speed solvers solving, because they use the half centers method also. Next, what you want to do is you want to solve the bottom center. So I have these 2 green center pieces, and I want to pair them together on the top to make a bar. So I have this piece and I have this piece, and you can move arm moves all you want, and you can use U moves all you want also. So I can only use wide arm moves and U moves to solve the rest of the centers. And as you can see, I have my bar made here, and using the upper layer and the wide arm moves, I move it to the bottom. Then I solve the front one, and you always do bottom, front, back. So that's the order you solve the centers in. And then I make that bar like that, do a U prime and move it down. And if you're solving this and you don't know what I'm saying, then you might want to practice Yao more and do more practice solves for Yao, because this is more of an intermediate one, and you need to know Yao pretty well to learn the half centers, because this is a more intermediate method of doing Yao. And then you have your last center done if you make it like that, and you should know how to solve the rest of the centers and the last center. So that's how you do the half centers. Now let's go over it one more time. So I have my 3 edges right here, and as you know, it doesn't matter which 3 edges you choose or 3 centers you choose. It just needs to be all in the right oriented order. So it needs to go blue, red, green, orange, and that's the same for the centers. So as you can see, I have already this bar and this bar. Then I can move this one to the top, move it to the left side. Then I have this green one, I can move it to the right side. Then I can move it down like that, and then I have that bar in place and the red one. Then I can just move the blue one like that, and now I can solve the red center. So the way I do that is I make that bar just like that, then I move it to the bottom. Then what you have to do is you have to solve the blue one just like that. Then the last step is solving the back and the top, and I can just do a 3 move insert like that. So that's another quick way to solve half centers, and this method is really important to solve. If you guys want to be faster at Yao, this is really important, because that can make you solve it even quicker, and the centers become so much faster instead of just using slice moves like that. But you can use R moves, wide arm moves, and U moves, and that makes it really fast. Then once you have all of your centers done, you can do 3-2-3 edge pairing, which I'll have a tutorial coming out soon, so make sure to check that out when I have it coming out. So once you're done with the half centers, you can just do your edge pairing real quick, and the centers make it so much easier if you use the half centers method. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to solve your 4x4 faster using the half centers Yale method. If it did, make sure to drop a comment below letting me know how you like this video, and also if you have any suggestions or feedback, also put that in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.